Yellowstone volcano eruption. Monster explosion will destroy America's underbelly. Yellowstone volcano is a dormant monster waiting to erupt and destroy America as ruthlessly as Godzilla, a leading scientist has warned. The Yellowstone volcano is the greatest natural disaster threat facing the U.S., and scientists are amazed at its potentially destructive power. Concerns about Yellowstone's resurgence increased following the release of a report outlining the risk of the supervolcano erupting in the near future. The report is called Extreme Geohazards. Reducing disaster risk and increasing resilience finds there is a 10% chance that a supervolcano somewhere on Earth will erupt by the end of this century. After reports of the terrifying volcano, renowned physicist Dr. Michio Kaku warned the Yellowstone volcano was a beast waiting to be unleashed on all of America. Dr. Kaku said, "Forget the image of Yogi Bear representing Yellowstone. We are talking about Godzilla sleeping under Yellowstone, which if it erupted in a maximum eruption called Category 8, it could literally destroy the United States. Instead of having 50 states, we'll have 30 states. That's Category 8. This report looks at Category 7, which is more likely to occur once every 1,000 years, not once every million years. This means that in every century there is a 10% chance of a Category 7 supervolcano erupting somewhere on planet Earth. That's the danger." According to a theoretical physicist and professor at City College of New York, scientists are aware of 3 major Yellowstone eruptions in the past. These explosions at Yellowstone occurred approximately 0.6 million, 1.3 million, and 2.1 million years ago, respectively. Each of these super-eruptions was large enough to spew large amounts of volcanic material and ash across the Americas. Dr. Kaku said, "We have evidence of a giant eruption that would be enough to destroy the United States. So these reports should be taken seriously, but hey, don't sell the shop. Don't panic. We don't expect that to happen in our lifetime." The good news is, there are currently no indicators that Yellowstone is ready to explode anytime soon, despite a terrifying volcano report published in 2017. However, the scientists said, eventually the law of averages will catch up with you, and volcanologists should continue to monitor Yellowstone for signs of activity. If Yellowstone erupts with a Category 7 eruption, Dr. Kaku said the explosion would be much larger than the devastating eruption of St. Helens in 1980. The extraordinary eruption in Washington State, USA, was the largest volcanic eruption on the U.S. mainland since 1915. Dr. Kaku explained, Category 7 would be many times the size of Mount St. Helens, enough to cause widespread destruction across states, but not enough to destroy the United States. But still, this is something we have to take very seriously right now. Unlike meteors from outer space, where you don't get any warning, we got warning. If you've seen a film like Pompeii, you know that there were days, even weeks of eruptions going on, rumbling inside, beneath pockets of lava. So there will be enough time, several weeks, to initiate evacuation if and when an unforeseen event occurs. Yellowstone volcano is monitored around the clock by the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory branch of the United States Geological Survey. The USGS is the scientific agency of the U.S. government, tasked with monitoring and studying the United States' many geological features and natural hazards.